Hey guys, we're back with another video. We're making reindeer chow, or puppy chow. We don't know if we're doing it right, but
it's our first time.
We're having fun with it.
We are.
And there's people.
So what was your process?
We got the rice and the corn Tex Mix and pretzels, and we mixed that together. Then we mixed up butter and chocolate and peanut butter and melted it, and then we mixed it with that. Then we put it in a bag with powdered sugar and we mixed it. Alright, shaking it, and then we just dumped it out. Now we're like separating them.
Yeah. And then after it dries out, we're gonna get rid of the excess powdered sugar and mix in more pretzels, some M&Ms, and maybe would you like a few sprinkles in it? You think? Sprinkles.
Colorful. Bring some color. It feels really good.
I don't know if people like this. I wonder how a few peanuts would be in it. I have some. Or no?
There's
yes or no?
peanut butter in it. If you want more of a crunch.
You want me to throw in a few peanuts?
I don't mind it.
Okay.
Still warm.
It's probably why it's clumped together. This area right here has a lot of extra if you need it, sweetie. Yes, Maddie already helped me make 2 batches of peanut butter squares. I'll show you in the fridge. They're getting firm. There's one. There's another. And of course, we had rice and beans for dinner, one of her faves. Yeah. I didn't have to twist her arm to get her to eat that. And the Joyner girls have always enjoyed anything messy, so.
Yeah.
Why change now just because you're about grown?
Exactly. My side looks pretty separated.
Looks better than it did before we put the powdered sugar on it.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
And tomorrow she's going to Mamie's to make candy. She's getting a lot of cooking in for Christmas.
Okay, I'm going in 2 hands. Time to get busy. Very satisfying process.
Yeah, we were talking about different ways to do it in the future. Maybe try some of the chocolate checks with it next time if we like it. The more you make something, you also develop better ways of mixing and all that.
Mm-hmm. Up close. ASMR.
It's kind of difficult coating this cereal with
the
hot chocolate mixture without breaking up the cereal too bad. Anything else you'd like to add?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you, sweet.
Thanks.
I love you.
Love you too.